Alright, broskis, we have a little situation. Check out my trailer. It broke off from right there and right there. I don't know if you guys can see the crack. I was about to head out to Alfonso right now. He just got out of work. We're supposed to meet up right now, and he's gonna go check out a car that he's trying to buy. But when I came out right now, I saw my wheel kind of cambered out, and I checked it out. Turns out it has a crack, so I'm gonna try to weld it up quick. He's already waiting for me, so he's gonna have to wait. I'm gonna take off the wheel, and then I'm gonna see if I can do a quick fix. Quick little fix for now. I'll put the wheel back on, and then we'll go meet up with Alfonso. Ándale, pinche gordo. Ahorita. Ándale, gordo.
Hey, güey.
Ándale, güey.
¿Echamos diesel?
When we come back, güey. What are we up to today? Did you see my fucking trailer broke?
I know.
Chingadera.
Pinche Dark's car broke it, or?
I guess, sabe. Oh, you wait.
What's up, broski? I think today's the day. I'm gonna get my drift car.
You gonna join the Z fam?
Yeah. Hopefully the car's good and we end up taking it home.
¿Qué pedo? That about to get down or what? Oh shit. Oh. The guy in the Mali was telling the guy in the truck, pull over right here. He ain't gonna pull over. They could have easily pulled over right here. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh damn, son. Yeah, the guy in the truck don't want none. Damn.
Ooh.
Damn, Zaddy. It's about to get lit. What's up with these lights though? Güey, no mames, me ando durmiendo, güey. Yo quería ver putazos. Alright, broski, so we had a little emergency. Fonz is gonna take a piss. Dale, güey. Hey, güey. Hey. Hey, güey. Hey. Hey, güey. Hey. Júrale, güey. Chivato mión. Gordo. 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 Mión. Alright, broski, so we bought the car. We're heading home right now. And we'll stop by right now and show you guys the car. Alright, broski, we're here at a meet. Everybody's leaving already.
Hey, Bo, welcome back to Philly Vlogs. Right here, fucking posted with the guy, Bo. What do you say?
Dale un beso, güey.
It takes so long.
A wet one.
Running just a rear end.
¿Quién? Oh, go tell him.
Hey, fool.
Hey, fool.
Hey, fool.
Run my shit.
I got you.
Look at this wind. No mames. Cállese, güey. It's mine way. It's mine. Chinos. Maricones.
Hey, we're right here with Philly's vlog, dog. Ramflation. Let's get it! Hey, Philly, I know you're editing this right now, fool. Oh, yeah. Fucking in the summer. Oh, that shit sounds fucking crazy. I like that. Hey! Race him!
We left that spot, I did a little munching and my hat flew off. So I don't know if the hat flew off outside or is it somewhere back there. I hope it's back there. Rolling deep. Hey, what's up, broskies? It's me again. Different day. Videos have been all over the place these past days. But I don't know, I just haven't been feeling too good. My stomach hurts like really bad. Anyways, today I'm gonna paint this G37 hood. It's for my boy Regal, the guy that helped me register my 350. I'm gonna give it a light sand and then I'm gonna repaint it black, so should be easy. But yeah, broskies, I don't know what the hell. Maybe I ate something and it made my stomach upset, but I can't fart. Maybe I have air. I think I have air and I can't let it out, so It feels kind of weird, my stomach, but fuck it, I'm gonna get through. A little update on the G35. Check it out, motor is out. Angel did everything. He pulled the engine out, he pulled suspension out, the whole rear subframe is out, fenders, I think the doors were gonna take off too, and then here's the subframe complete. So if anybody needs parts, hit me up or Angel. And the interior is freaking ugly, so I don't think nobody would want, especially because it's tan. But yeah, broskies, my stomach still hurts. I don't know qué pedo. If you guys have some remedies or maybe an exercise I should do, let me know down in the comments, because it's so uncomfortable. But yeah, check it out. Here's the engine for Angel's 350. It's already pulled out. Damn, there's no room right here. Que pedo. I'm gonna start off with a 400 grit just to even out like these little paint cracks. It's got some minor ones, so with the 400 it should be fine. I'm gonna wipe it down and then I'm gonna sand it down again with the thinner grit. I think I'm gonna use like a 800 grit, but I'm gonna water sand it. Get my mask because it smells really bad right here, but I'm done spraying it. I hate painting black because all the little dust gets in it like quick. But there she is. Chingon. Ah! Now I gotta cut my fucking grass. Let's get it, boys. This mask puts in work. I can smell it really bad. Like once I took it off, I smelled the paint, even from outside of the garage. Whew. Good 30 bucks paint. Sorry. But yeah, broski, like I said, I'm gonna get my lawnmower and I gotta cut my grass. It's getting so big already. Grass is nice and cut. I blew off all the leaves. House is nice and clean. Chingon. Que más di. I might go to a car meet later tonight. There's a car meet like right over the freeway from where I live, and I might head out later, but for now this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed watching a little bit of everything in the videos, please drop a like. Let me know you guys like them. If not, I'll just do single day videos, but I think I have more fun like this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, broskies.